Hey family and friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a banger for y'all. We really are excited to see this house. It has a pool. It is brand new.
This pool villa is in the Thap Thai area of Hua Hin.
From the photos and in the video of the walkthrough, it's pretty lit. So we're really excited to walk through it with y'all. Go ahead, hit that like button and comment if you would live in this villa. And subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing our life in Thailand.
Looking at this Villa Abizia, I guess is what it's called. Man, it took us a while to get here. I don't really like the location. The house is nice online and so far it looks good. But just day-to-day travel, you know, it's tough.
Well, yeah, he's tall enough. Oh, she didn't.
Cool.
But she'll get there.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. It said that he texted the owner about cleaning.
Yeah. And I think it's under in this one.
Mm-hmm.
Or it's,
Yeah.
it's not hard to mix it. I have to really mix it.
Okay.
It looks like it's a winner pool.
Yes.
This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, obviously pool villa. The landing spot right here. View of the pool again. Nice ambiance.
It's so strong sun.
Oh, see. Yep. Have a little look.
Washer. Okay.
So all this stuff is not covered, so if it rains, it will all get soaked.
Yeah. It's tough. I don't like that.
Yeah, me too. I'm like, I like this little, this space right here, but look at it.
No.
It's
Yeah.
filled with water. Yeah. And a good location for it, unless you have the covering.
Yeah.
Two times a week.
Sorry, cop.
Sorry,
Maybe just cleaning his.
oh, okay. Twice a week.
Yes.
No storage. Oh, okay. Closet. Go on the area. Somewhat. It's all right. Neighbor. So you can't fully walk around the property. With the villas, I don't like that. I like to be able to walk around the property with the villas. I get it if it's a townhome house or a condo apartment, but I like to walk around the property. Copy. The landing spot is nice. Nice landing spot. Yeah. bright, nice windows. I like the ceilings.
Yeah, nice white.
Yeah.
I like the couch.
Yeah. Doors. Yeah.
Yeah, love that. Comfy.
Mm-hmm.
The whole
Yeah, ambiance is, yeah, structure's nice.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Okay. Bam, let us know what you think.
Little stove
So,
top.
yeah, tiny stove. Okay. Microwave. I would like an oven.
Here.
Yeah, oven's not here.
Wait, but you got 2 cabinets on top. This is, since the condo, the townhouse, haven't seen cabinets on top.
I know, I like that. I like
The dining
there's a
area.
window here because it's hot. Yeah, very nice.
I like the minted look of the pool, like, you know, nice and blue.
Me too. It looks very
Nice.
pretty
Yeah, it's pretty.
over the white.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Seating. Little thing. Not sure about the space all the way, but
Yeah, because you'll be eating inside the kitchen.
yeah, it's the outside again.
Already come with a laundry basket. I mean, this is a little tight for us because we're big people.
It'll be mostly for them. Cheers. All right. See.
This is really cute. This little silk right here.
Yeah, it is. Nice TV. Really like the entertainment area. Open it up.
I don't know how to open it. Press?
Oh, you do press it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Push to open.
Push to open, okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, the grand area is decent.
Yeah, the grand area is nice.
Like the windows. Wow. So this is 1 bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom number 1. It's decent.
Would have to be a wardrobe instead of a rack.
Yeah. I was thinking it's okay for the kids because they don't got much
I guess,
clothes.
yeah,
But
it
for
could.
us, we definitely need a
Minimum.
wardrobe.
Yeah. Right.
AC unit still looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice painting.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Solid.
It is. I mean, it's,
Solid. I like the colors in here.
me too.
That's the office they were talking about.
Wow. Yeah, this office is nice.
It's nice. If we just had one of them
Only we had
running around.
Either one kid or we had 2 kids that are okay with being with each other.
Oh, nice setup.
Yeah.
The windows
it's really
nice.
Cute because you would be in here working.
Oh, yeah, good setup. Nice
But
windows.
it's a nice bedroom. It would be nice if you put the bed right there where the table is.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice in here.
But they said that they'd be able to put a bed and stuff, so.
Mm-hmm. Nice bathroom.
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. Now it's lived in. But yeah, the setup is nice.
Yeah.
Clean.
Nicest that we've seen so far.
Yeah. So like some light from the outside, I guess.
Yes. Yeah, it looks like from the outside.
Yeah, the colors, I like the partition. That's not bad.
Yeah. It's good for them.
Yeah.
I mean, besides the townhouse is nice. Oh, yeah, this is nice.
Master.
I think that's what it is.
Nice. Okay.
So, yes.
So
We
wardrobe.
got
So it's good.
wardrobe
And drawers.
And
Mm-hmm.
something else. So,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, that works.
And there's a mirror. So that's good too.
I'll open the curtains. It's dark in here.
Oh,
There you go.
yes.
It's a nice room. Sure.
El Jefe.
Index home for Red Edition him.
Ooh, I know you had that one, right? Look, they already got the TV.
Yeah, the TV on the wall.
This is nice. Hey, oh no, I don't want to spoil nothing, but
Nice space. I have the desk already.
I like that a lot, obviously, because that won't be in there anymore.
Yeah, TV on the wall.
All right.
I like the colors.
Let's test
Good.
the bed. You ready? Me too.
I'm going to bed.
What do you think?
Feel like a bed.
Oh no, ours is softer. So.
Feel all the same to me.
You said it feel the same to you?
Yeah, colors in here is nice.
Yeah, it is. Go on. I like that they got the hair, body, and a conditioner already on the wall.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Nice setup for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the colors.
Same.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because they just left, right? I think they just left. The
Yeah.
last tenants. And I mean,
Or it's this week. I don't know. Still got stuff in it.
it's
everything
not
is-
that bad though for people who are living in.
Yeah. No. It's
really
kept
not.
up somewhat decent.
Yeah.
Open
Yeah,
that.
but-
Thing's too big.
Mine too.
Come on, share and all that. That's
Sequoia
cool.
will open it.
Yeah. The neighbor. Would be neighbor, I guess.
Yeah,
Solid.
it is. It's really nice in here. Yeah, I love the light.
The light's nice. Yeah.
The lighting, it's so natural and bright.
Yeah. I love the light.
You need so.
Say that again, what is it?
Today,
What is it?
Luminiso.
Luminiso.
Very bright. More Luminiso.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Oh, he's coming to clean right
I
now.
like it.
No, the place itself is nice.
Very nice. Ooh, this is rain.
The clouds coming.
Floating, I asked her.
Oh,
วันไหนบ้างนะพี่นะจันทร์กับอะไรนะอังคารกับ
เข้าอาคารกับศุกร์ครับ
twice a week Tuesday and Friday
Okay.
Tuesday, Friday.
So it's the it's internet and pool. That's what's included.
Internet.
อันนี้มีแม่บ้านเรามีไหมคะ
แม่บ้านไม่มีครับ
จ้างมาเอง
ใช่ครับ
Okay housekeeper you have a speak
Housekeeper too?
no only
Only.
Oh, okay.
housekeeper you can arrange her
Oh, sure. Yeah, understood. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
You don't have lighting.
I told you Wi-Fi included I told
Yeah.
you okay.
Yeah, it was one of them mentioned.
Yep, Wi-Fi and pool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it
This is really nice.
Yeah, nice seating. Nice seating outside too.
Yeah, that's a cute seat. I know the kids will like it.
Come in here again. Nice storage spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big smart that's the room one right and
And it would be bed.
office these are like the office you like to think the bedroom
Yeah.
The architecture of this, guys, is pretty. Pretty. Not bad. And I like.
how wide.
I was about to just it looks wider,
The door wide.
and you can
is
keep it open,
nice.
so that's not bad. I like that.
No,
I like it a lot.
I feel like the square feet is the same though, right?
Okay.
Maybe shut up. Yeah, I like how you go open the door. Yeah, I like that openness.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. as we mentioned earlier, I don't know if Lauren called it out first with him, but I just don't like how this is not covered. I don't like how this is not covered, guys. You can utilize this space, but it's not like it doesn't ever rain. It rained today.
It's automatic. The gate.
Oh, with a button? Okay. All right. Gate moving on its own. Yeah, seems to work decent.
Yes.
Yeah.
The only thing I would say is I wish the wall was higher. The height of the gate.
Well, it's not bad. It's higher than most.
Yeah, it's not.
My thing is the covering on the side.
Oh, on that
It's
side,
Nordic
yeah.
style, right? It's like Nordic style, right?
Say that again? Oh, yeah. No, yeah, we like it.
Yeah, we like it. It's very nice.
We'd have to add like a
Yeah,
covering.
there need to be a covering over there
Yeah.
for when it rains with all that stuff over there.
Yeah. Okay. All right. But I like everything else, really. Especially the master guys won't go through.
Ponchos.
Okay.
Maya told me, she was like, I looked up in the sky and I was like, oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. And she told me, yeah, rain every day.
Yeah, I believe it, of course.
They have periods of storm. 3 days. I mean, พายุกี่วันพายุกี่วัน 3 days 5 days ประมาณ5 วัน
Go back here. So I'm gonna end this here, guys. It's listed at 39K. So that's 1150 to 1170. Listed at 39K. You'd have to see if you can knock it down. I'm not too keen on the location. It took us forever to get here. The agent didn't know where it was at. So we'll have to take that into consideration. But yeah, this is the spot.
She has a